Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming basics fast, active internet, and a valid Google account. Once done, make sure your device has a secure screen lock so account sync works. Now open Settings and choose Accounts, tap Add Account and select Google. Alternatively, open the Play Store app and tap the profile icon to start sign-in. Enter your email and password when prompted. This first action links your Google identity to the device, so the Play Store can grant access to apps and backups. You'll now complete the deeper sign in steps and verification. After entering credentials, review and accept Google terms so services enable. This unlocks Play Store functions. If two-step verification appears, follow the chosen method, text code, or authenticator, because it protects purchases and account recovery. Next, decide whether to add a payment method. You can skip and add later. Finally, make sure sync options like contacts and app data are enabled so Play Store can restore. You finish by using the Play Store to search for apps and tap Install. If updating, tap Update. Make sure Auto Update is enabled in Play Store settings to keep apps current without manual effort. Once installed, confirm app permissions and allow required accesses. If anything goes wrong, sign-in errors or missing purchases, try clearing the Play Store cache and data, then reboot. If that doesn't work, remove the Google account from settings and add it again. This refresh often resolves sync and access problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.